Hello traders, P. Consington from iHub here today, and I want to talk about the VRNI, Virogen Incorporated stock, which is an OTC markets traded stock. So the first thing I want to point out on this chart is that we've seen a nice little RSI reset here after our last leg up, and that's indicating that we're ready for another move. So we want to watch for the buy zone here, which is between 50 and 70, and you'll see that we could easily spike there within 1 day. So we're at 43.78 right now, 43.78. So again, looking to hit 50 to 70, and that'll be a great opportunity to buy in terms of the RSI. So the next thing I want to point out here are the support and resistance levels. You'll see that we have a support level at 0.0006 that actually we dipped below on Friday, but I'm not too concerned about that because we have a really strong support with a huge bid at 0.0005, and we're thin on the ask, so getting back above 0.0006 should be no problem. So come Monday morning, we want to see this bounce back up to 0.006 and beyond. I'm hearing rumors of news on the message boards, so that could easily be a catalyst for such a move. And I think once we break above all these moving averages that are here in the 0.007 range and 0.006 support or slash resistance line here, I think that we're going to be pushing up to the next resistance level at 0.001. And once we crack 0.001, which we've been working on the whole past week, we have 0.016 to look forward to breaking that. And again, that doesn't seem like a very strong resistance line. It's only been tested a couple times, so that should be pretty easy to break with buying volume. So the next thing I want to point out here would be the fact that the Bollinger Bands currently lie within the Keltner channels while we're consolidating. So this is going to lead to what we call a huge pinch play breakout, and this could easily again send us sky high, beyond the 0.016 slight resistance line. If this news that I'm hearing is going to come out on Monday is actually really solid. So keep this on watch for sure. Another thing to point out quickly is the fact that you'll notice the green volume bars here are a lot bigger than the red volume bars. So that means that days that we closed above where we opened generally had more volume. So we've seen a lot more buying and accumulation of the stock than we have selling. So even notice on Thursday there was huge buying and we had a nice huge volume bar, and then on Friday slight sell-off. I mean, we closed at 0.005, but it was still only like half of the volume of Thursday. So more shares were accumulated than were sold last week by far, and we're looking great going into next week. So another thing to point out quickly is that our Williams %R is showing oversold, and it should soon bounce back up. As you see, it never really hangs out in the oversold range for too long. That's this one that the mouse is over here with this writing. And the last thing I really want to point out here is that you'll see the Trix is slowing on its downtrend. It's kind of starting to curl and round out at the bottom. And it's going to cross over and kind of diverge positively, which is a bullish sign in the very near future from the looks of things. So VRNI, it's on close watch. It's the gold medalist of Monday. And again, if you're not signed up for our free alerts, please head on over to www.goldmedalpennystocks.com. Free penny stock alerts, and we've had some good winners so far, and we expect VRNI to be another. Just think about it like this. I mean, if you buy at the support line right here, 0.005, and you were to sell at this resistance line even, or the next one, I mean, this resistance here, you'd be making 100%. And beyond that, I mean, you're making some serious coin. So this could easily be a nice little channel play, or channel breakout play is what I'm looking for. I want to see it break this channel. So keep this one on watch into Monday, and all into next week really. Again, I'm hearing news on Monday, so hopefully we see that, and looking forward to it. So I'm not a investment professional or financial professional, so please just use this video as entertainment purposes only, and don't base your investment decisions on my opinions, because I can't be responsible for what you do with your money. Good luck.